Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step process how you can easily change a theme on Windows 11. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Windows 11, and if this video will be helpful, you can support me and subscribe. I'm really thankful for it. So what you need to do is actually this. Go on the bottom on the Windows and right click and click settings. Right then when you're going to do it, and you're going to be in the settings menu right here, you want to click on the personalization. And when you're going to click on a personalization, you want to click on themes. And when you're going to click on a themes here, you want to simply click browse themes. And you can simply switch to different themes. Like it's completely up to like this one here or this one here. It's completely up to you. Or like, that's completely up to which one you choose, right? So, yeah. Thank you very much guys for watching. If you can have any questions, ask me down in comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.